仲諗保障唔等人，立即撳入嚟了解啦。Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Yep. I think that would be good.
Hello， 大家好啊！今日咧嗱，首先咧你見到我咧好居家 feel 啊，因為其實咧我啱起身嘅啫一起身咧就見到 Fiverr 咧有一個嘅留言咧，就有一個嘅客仔揾我咧，就話有一個工作好趕急啊，就要今日之內就完成。其實佢話一日啦唔係今日啦。咁但係咧，因為咧嗱上次話咧我臨去旅行之前咧就收到個工作就要趕住完成啊嘛今次又係我聽日又要去旅行啦，咁今日咧收到呢一個咧就話咧一日之內要完成嘅工作，咁即係我今日就要完成啦。咁所以我嗱聲衫都未換就同佢聯絡啊。咁傾完之後發現咧，喂呢個工作咧都可以算係大 job 㗎喎。衡量一個工作大同細，當然可以從佢個價錢啦，多錢未大，少錢未細。咁呢個工作咧，就唔係話特別多錢嘅。其實我嘅收費咧就明碼實價每50個字就10蚊。咁佢呢個稿大概就係400個字嘅，咁咪即係80蚊咯咁80蚊咧就再加埋啲立雜commercial right 就10蚊即係我把聲嗰個版權費啦。咁就仲有，因為佢要一日就交貨啊嘛，咁所以咧 fast delivery 咧又再加10蚊，咁一共咧100蚊100蚊又唔係話好多，咁但係咧因為其實佢個稿咧就唔係好長嘅咋，5-6個15秒嘅廣告好短好快就搞掂㗎啦。咁但係我話佢係大 job 嘅原因咧，就係佢個客人有冇知名度其實都好緊要嘅。冇知名度嘅客人，你做完之後收咗錢咁對你就冇下文㗎啦嘛，冇其他嘅即係作用㗎啦嘛。咁但係如果你做咗一個有名氣嘅即係客人嘅廣告嘅話，對你自己係有幫助㗎嘛。嗱呢個客人咧係 AXA。安盛保險咁都叫做有啲名係咪？咁所以咧，你做完之後咧，即係對我自己嗰個嘅portfolio 咧都有啲嘅幫助咁樣噶嘛。咁所以咧，我就叫佢都算係大 job 咁但係咧，佢有一個特別啲嘅地方咧，就係咧，佢話咧想同我有進一步嘅溝通咁我話溝通嘅意思即係要打電話，佢就話咧想喺 Google Meet 嗰度咧同我開個會咁樣即係面談咁樣去傾下。咁所以咧5分鐘之後咧，我就要上去 Meet 嗰度咧，就同佢傾一傾
Yes, so this is Shane. Shane's our project manager for this project that we're working on with AXA, as you probably saw with the scripts.
So what we're trying to create is reels for an insurance company called AXA. So we want to kind of set the tone for the kind of voice we're looking for.
So you want me to time sync with the video, right?
Correct, but the timing is so off that we're thinking for the first batch, it's mostly for the client just so we can present something tonight or your morning.
Okay. So throughout the sample you show me, they are using different emotion, but they are keeping the same voice. So I don't have to pretend two different characters, right? Just the same voice but different emotion.
Do you think you can make a different voice?
I can make it more different than they did.
Yeah.
1分錢1分貨，唔通真係要俾天價先可以享受到高質嘅服務？something like that. Okay.
Yep. That's good.
AXA 安盛醫療保障系列，每日一杯汽水嘅價錢就可以享受到呢度所有服務，仲諗保障唔等人，立即撳入嚟了解啦。something like that.
Okay. Yep. I think that would be good. Can you record the first scripts just like you did just now? Just record it and then send it to me.
Okay, I'll send it over, and at the meantime, I'll record the script number 1, and then send it to you through Fiverr.
Awesome, thank you, Gary.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
好玩，有啲緊張，但係好玩。OK， 傾完啦都有趣呢啲嘅做法咧。就其實都唔係話好特別嘅，好多客人都會咁樣要求嘅，咁但係咧就唔係經常咁所以咧今日咧有一個咁樣嘅經驗啦都算係幾有趣嘅。咁而家咧嗱聲啦就要幫人咧先錄一個咧就係嗰個第一個稿啊嘛，佢話15秒嘅一個試音先咁所以咧而家今日咧即係着住呢個屋企嘅家居服咧，咁即刻就嚟錄一錄啦 1分錢1分貨，唔通真係要俾天價先可以享受到高質嘅服務？AXA 安盛醫療保障系列，每日一杯汽水嘅價錢就可以享受到呢度所有服務，仲諗保障唔等人，立即撳入嚟了解啦。One take，好，咁我就錄完呢一個15秒嘅試音啦send 咗俾佢，我覺得應該都冇問題嘅。頭先喺Google Meet 嗰度都求其做一次俾佢睇，佢好似都幾滿意咁而家認真少少，應該就更加 OK 啦，係咪？咁但係其實我都有一樣擔心嘅，就係佢而家咧就係要將嗰啲稿 cut down 到15秒之內，跟住我就錄啊嘛，唔知佢 cut 幾耐啊？我一定要喺聽日去旅行之前咧完成呢一個嘅工作㗎。咁同埋咧，佢仲話咧每一個稿咧希望我快讀一次、慢讀一次啊嘛其實頭先我嗰個 sample 我已經讀到好快㗎啦我唔知點樣仲可以俾佢一個更快嘅 version 咁佢話 cut 到15秒之內，其實我心諗咧，佢應該點都唔會 cut 到15秒之內㗎啦一陣咧真係錄嘅時候咧，我就要即係使出九牛二虎之力啦，點樣咧急口令式咁樣啦，可以讀完呢啲嘅稿好咁今日好快咁樣俾大家睇咗呢一個咧幾有趣嘅一個嘅工作嘅開頭睇下咧我可唔可以聽日咧可以安安心心無牽無掛咁樣去旅行